Hey, before you toss that jar away, consider transforming it. Hi, I'm Jeanette, a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. This is the Crafty Hobbit channel. This is a quick video for a new item in my shop, which is a salvage to simple sophistication project that I just completed. And I know you can do it too. All you need is a jar or a bottle, and you're going to paint it out to the style that you like. You're going to arrange your faux florals into your piece, and you're going to use at least 3 colors because you want it to have dimension. You want it to have a lifelike appearance. When you have just one color, it's going to blend into your decor. When you add more than one color, you're going to grab attention. The eye has to stop and look to take it in. Another way to make your art piece step out is to add a variety of media to the piece because it stops the eye. The eye has to take it in. And finally on this piece, just a few items from nature, feathers, straw, and some twigs. And this mixed into the floral arrangement really brings it out, the outdoors into your home. If you like home decor, you like new creations and new inspiring ideas, follow my channel, hit the notification bell if you want to see when new videos are dropped to the channel, and I hope to see you on the next one.